Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our videos. You can find all of our products on survival-medical.com. That's survival-medical.com. My name is John Roberts. I'm the founder of Survival Medical. And in this video, we're going to talk about our birth bucket. Like all of our products, this is designed for long-term storage, where you can buy it once, stick it on a shelf, and when the time comes you need it, it's going to be in the same shape it was the day you bought it. Most of the time, this is something we overlook when it comes to medical supplies, but medical supplies are an organic material, just like food. The same things that break down food over time are going to break down your medical supplies: heat, light, oxygen, and moisture. And our packaging system is there to prolong that shelf life and address that issue. And we're the only company that does that. And so I want you to be aware of that. In all of our kits, it's going to get redundant every time you watch one of these videos, but it's an important aspect of things that I want to make sure that you're paying attention to. Also, another thing is the quality. The brands and the individual items in our kits are all hospital quality materials. These are the same products, the same items you're going to see at your local hospital, your local doctor's office, on an ambulance, at the fire department. It doesn't matter what it is, in a professional medical scene, you're going to see these same products. You're not going to see the low-grade knockoff brands that you see in all the other medical kits. Because our products were designed like what we'd want for our family. We've got the best in here, so when the time comes you need it, you've got a reliable, high-quality product. So specifically about our birth bucket, let's talk a little bit about this. Sometimes when people see the birth bucket, they think, what on earth is going on here? The birth is something that's going to happen. We need to be prepared for it. There's statistics that show anywhere from 300 to 500% spike in the birth rate when natural disasters happen. Another thing that I want to make sure and point out, and have you think about for a second, okay, deep thoughts. Let's all think about this. If American society can't get to their local pharmacy, what's going to happen to the birth rate? Birth's something that we don't have to necessarily treat like a medical emergency, but with a few supplies, we can make it a lot more sanitary and comfortable process. So we're going to talk about some of those individual items that we have in our birth bucket to make that a more sanitary process. Now, a big thing when it comes to birth is going to be talking about fluid absorption. So we have got a few different products to address that. The first one we're going to talk about is a drape sheet. Now in the past, in home births, I've used a shower curtain from the dollar store, okay? And in a pinch, that'll work. But if we can prepare for it, here's a much better product. It's designed to go over your mattress. It's extremely absorbent. It's going to prevent any fluids from going through and soaking your mattress. Along that same line, you've got a nice stack in here of some highly absorbent underpads, okay? They look pretty small, but as you fold them out, they get bigger, and this is a very highly absorbent material designed specifically for this, okay? A lot of times you might call them a Chuck's pads, other thing, but this is specifically what they're going to use in hospital for fluid absorption, okay? Another thing we've got in here, again, for that fluid absorption is going to be our sterile multi-trauma dressing. Don't be scared of that word trauma, ladies. It's just what it's packaged as. It's just basically a very highly absorbent gauze pad, okay? So again, for getting soaking up any of those body fluids that need to be soaked up during that labor process. Along the sanitation line here, we're going to talk about some of the things we have to keep this process sanitary. We've got some hand sanitizer. We can keep everything washed up and tidy there. We've got some povidone iodine wipes and some betadine swab sticks, okay? Of course, we're all familiar with the bulb syringe, okay? Used to get fluid out of babies' airways, whether that be the mouth or the nose. Okay. We've got some high quality medical shears. A receiving blanket's going to come in here, okay? There's only one. There's kits designed for multiple births, but you're going to have one of these because it's not a sterile disposable item. Of course, some nitrile gloves. There's 6 pair in this kit, and they're going to come in medium and extra large size. Okay, just one size doesn't quite fit all, but I find that those 2 sizes, generally speaking, do fit all. We've got a biohazard waste bags so that we have someplace safe and sanitary to put the umbilical cord, placenta afterbirth, all of our afterbirth, okay? And also we've got a little thing in here for comfort. In the past I've used washcloths and warm water and used those to place on the low back of the mother. But here we've got some instant hot packs in case that's not an option, that you can squeeze and have a instantly hot pack to rub around the lumbar region, the lower back, as mom's having contractions and giving birth. That'll really help with some of that pain. I want to be careful not to say give away that pain, so all you mothers say, but it's going to help relieve a lot of that pain, create some comfort there for mom. Again, I just want to stress that our packaging system is going to prolong the shelf life of these products. So you can buy this once, stick it on a shelf. It's going to be good when you need it. And look ahead. You may be thinking, what do I need a birth kit for? But if you've got some young daughters at home, or who knows what the future may hold. Okay, so let's buy this now, put it away, and we know that we're safe and prepared when the time comes. You can buy these at survival-medical.com. That's survival-medical.com. You'll also be able to find them in retail centers around the country, and you'll find those retail centers on our website. That's survival-medical.com. If you have any feedback, you have any comments, you have any questions, email us, let us know. You can get a hold of us again one more time at survival-medical.com. Thanks, guys.